Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Margaret Joki Moho from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking pumpkin and corn flour food for lunch. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Guys, kindly let us start by sweeping the kitchen. This is African French kitchen. We start by preparing our pumpkins. We cut into pieces. Remember, today we are cooking with my granny. You have to cut pumpkins into pieces. Remember, we are cooking corn flour ugari with the pumpkins. Yani corn flour with pumpkins ugari. Found in the village life. Welcome. We cook food in the villages together. Remember, we are located at Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Life in the village is so sweet. Straight away, my grandma will start. After peeling pumpkins, she will cut onions and tomatoes into pieces. Today we are cooking with my grandma. Wow. You cut tomatoes into pieces and onions into pieces. Kindly, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe so that when we hand a new find, you will be notified when we hand a new finding. Thank you for your continued support. Kindly watch my videos, watch my short videos so that I can reach 4,000 watch hours. Remember, we are not yet been monetized by Meta. We are trying our best. This is African French kitchen. You can see the fire. Thank you so much. We start by frying our onions, and the fire is so big. Remember, it can burn you, so be careful. Right in the kitchen. We start by adding oil, mixing oil with mustard sauce. Wow. Then we cook onions until they are brown in color. Remember, we have to use sticks when taking off the sufuria to avoid burning, to avoid being burnt. Then we shall continue frying. We add salt, and salt. We add salt. Then we wash pumpkins direct with clean water. Then we add to the fried tomatoes and onions. We have to cover another sprayer. Then we wait for the water to boil. After boiling, we shall continue with mixing the food well. Then we add corn flour. We add corn flour and continue mixing our food well. This is food for lunch, traditional food for lunch. Let me know in the comment section, how do you call this food in your country? Here in Kenya, we call it gojamato, mixed marenge and unga. In our local language, Kiembu, we call it gimaya marenge. Yeah. Kindly continue subscribing, sharing, comment to support my channel. The food will be landing in the next few seconds. The food is golden yellow in color and yummy. Wow. Remember, we have to find banana leaves so that we can use them for after cooking. We shall keep the food on the top of banana leaves. Wow, do some banana leaves. The food will be served in the next 5 seconds. In Africa, we don't have plates, so we have to use arrowroot leaves as plates. Today we are using arrowroot leaves. Wow, we shall serve our food with arrowroot leaves. Wow, don't mind if you don't have plates, life must continue. This is my grandma. She is the one who is showing me how to cook this traditional food, pumpkins and corn flour. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next video. The food is so delicious. Let me know in your country if you have ever tasted the food before. Wow. Let us enjoy them. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, the food is so delicious and yummy. Thank you for your continued support. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Ample request. Wow. Bye bye.